Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a PayPal account. To start, you will need a valid email address and a stable internet connection. It is also important to have your mobile phone nearby, as it will be used for verification purposes. Additionally, gather your banking information or credit card details. These will be essential for linking funds to your new account. Taking these preliminary steps ensures a smooth setup process for everyone. Once you are on the PayPal homepage, locate and click the Sign Up button to begin your application. You will then be prompted to select whether you need a personal or a business account. Choose the option that best suits how you plan to use PayPal. Carefully enter your personal information, such as your full legal name, current address, and a reliable phone number. Double-check all details for accuracy before proceeding to the next step. After setting up your basic profile, the next crucial step is linking your payment methods. You can securely connect a bank account by providing your routing and account numbers. This allows for larger transactions. Alternatively, link a debit or credit card for instant payments and purchases. PayPal will guide you through each step, ensuring your financial details are securely integrated. This connection empowers you to send and receive money with ease. Account verification is essential for full functionality and security. First, check your email for a confirmation link from PayPal and click it to verify your address. Next, confirm your mobile phone number by entering the one-time code sent to you via text message. If you linked a bank account, PayPal will send 2 small deposits, often less than $1 each, which you will then need to confirm on the PayPal website. This step fully activates your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.